here tonight to do something very special. We're here to witness God's love manifest in Branson and Rachel and their love for one another, which comes from God. The love that we share, the love that they share, comes from God.
Branson and Rachel, the church shares your joy and warmly welcomes you together with your families and friends as today in the presence of God our Father you establish between yourselves a lifelong partnership. May the Lord hear you on this your joyful day. May He send you help from heaven and protect you. May He grant you your heart's desire and fulfill every one of your prayers.
Branson has been my closest friend for a long time, second grade to be precise. See, we set out at one point together to become priests. Branson convinced me it was a good idea. It was his idea. But you see, someone like Branson, and all spouses really, need someone to contend with. They need someone to challenge them. And you found her.
That was a great letter. It was a really good letter.
Rachel will never let you become complacent or comfortable. She's the kind of woman that calls you to aspire for more. And I love watching that for my friend. What is this apprehension we have about walking joyfully into your vocation? Walk into this vocation with high and great expectations, higher than you can imagine, because it will be an adventure. And I can say for me, we're all grateful to be on this adventure with you.
Rachel. You're so beautiful. You're glowing too. You know that?
There's no such thing as a beautiful stained glass window without the light that shines through it. You are stained glass windows. You're colorful, you're vibrant, but without the light of God, you're dark. We're shadows of what we could be without the love of God shining through us. You are the light of the world. God created you unique, but without His light, we grow dim. You see, Branson and Rachel, no one can bring the vibrance, the color, and the charity and the excellence that this calm home will bring to the world. Families. This is what you begin tonight. A family. Families are the salt that this dark and flavorless world need.
I, Branson, take you, Rachel, to be my wife.
I, Rachel, take you, Branson, to be my husband.
I promise to be faithful to you.
In good times and in bad.
In sickness and in health.
To love you and to honor you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Rachel and Branson.
May God, the eternal Father, keep you of one heart and love for one another, that the peace of Christ may dwell in you and abide always in your home. May you be blessed in your children, have solace in your friends, and enjoy true peace with everyone. May Almighty God bless all of you who are gathered here, the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Present to you Branson and Rachel Collins.